to backtest two things today. Two things I have been noticing. Number one, as an IFG trader, the majority of my trades are break even, right? So I want to start implementing something that I feel like can help just increase my profits in general. And that is like scaling at my break even point at specific, like under specific circumstances. So for example, like if I'm in with like 5 or more contracts, like I'll just scale when I break even. Because this week, more just like scale at break even one contract, because like even like that extra $20 because like on an average week I probably take like Monday I took like 4 break evens. So like even if I scaled like 2 out of the 4 break evens there, and then I probably took like 6 break evens total this week. If I did half of those break even just scaling one contract at my break even, I'd be up like $60 per account just from like break evens. You know what I mean? I know one guy was talking about that in PM chat, so I was like, maybe I'll try that. And the next thing, I'm gonna backtest PM today, like just strict PM. So yeah, I'm gonna do 130 to 350 and kind of see if I'm profitable during PM, because PM's just harder to trade in general, lower volume and all that. Somebody give me a date, like a month and a year. October what? $25? I don't know if I want to do that. That's a nightmare month. Actually, we'll do it. We'll do 25. Alright. Just gonna be all time highs, but it's fine. So we're gonna go to custom settings. And we're gonna put this to 130 EST. Cool. Let me do this real quick. I'm not gonna remember, there's no way. Not for PM, maybe for AM maybe, but no way for PM. If I do, that's kind of crazy. Okay, let's get started. If you guys have any trades you want me to review that you took over the week, you can just send them in here. Alright, bias. Check out 4-hour time frame. I don't have the 30-second because I don't think they have enough. They don't have the data yet because it's like too soon. But so I'm bullish here, right? So I'll just be looking for continuation longs out of the 4-hour. Probably like. Not 50, I'd say like somewhere out of these gaps, sweep this low. Will I go over this week? I can if you want me to. But yeah, I'm bullish. So PM session is just lower volume usually, and it's just harder to trade. So it's gonna be a lot of no trade days, I'll tell you that. Yeah, it's already just a no trade day. Okay. think I'm just not even trading like PM session anymore. I don't know. It's so hit or miss. Like either PM session's like really good. What I did cancel reliable streams. Cause it kind of like I don't think I need them anymore. And it kind of like forces me to trade PM because I want to get the money value out of it. But I don't want to trade PM every day. It's so much work. If everything aligns besides draw, will you fade the play? Yeah. If the draw is bad, the draw doesn't have to be like amazing. Damn, Saint. That's unfortunate. We have a short here. It's all-time highs, so probably not. Get that one printed. So we're just getting bullish reactions from literally Narnia. Man, I hate Ultimize. You just never get your dream scenario. How do you know, Japes? I literally have it right next to me. Peppermint tea. I always drink it. Ooh. I know, man. Wait, this short's not that bad. I know we said don't short all time highs. Oh, it already hit break even. I wasn't paying attention. Because we have an SMT, I kind of like the momentum. That would have been break even. Ooh. Do I just full send a short? Relative equal lows. I'll try it. Why not? It's not like it's just ultimate highs or anything. So I'm gonna scale, my break even would be like here. So I'm gonna scale 20 or like 7% at that if we hit it. Okay, never mind. Don't short a break, don't short all time highs. Oh, wait, is it 3 minute? Not home. It was a 4 minute. Oh, it was a 5 minute. Okay. Never mind, see that. I'm not gonna lie, I do not want to trade PM. This is a bad idea. This is the nightmare press section. Yeah, no, all times is so bad. I guess longs from here. We're not doing this. This is the worst price action I've ever seen in my life. I'm not even backtesting PM. There's literally no point. That's kind of why I can't, like, it's so hit or miss. I'm not gonna, like, bore you guys. We're doing something else. Yeah, we'll do August 2022, sure. It's just chopped, like, it's literally just chopped for, like, 4 out of the 5 days of the week. Sometimes, again, sometimes it does cook. But it's, like, so hit or miss. Usually I just like keep my phone on me and just check the chart and see if we're like reaching a good area. August 2022 is hard. Okay, well, I'm trying, yeah. Dude, I have to keep doing this bullshit. Okay. Did I just lose access to the 30-second? Interesting. Okay. So nice. 4 hour time frame is bullish, actually. Yeah, I'll probably look for long, sweep this low, deliver out of this gap. I wouldn't mind a short, maybe. Liquidity downside's kind of bad though. Okay, so now we try the whole scale at break-even thing. Oh wow, it's a very bearish reaction. What's up, Sana? Guys, if you ever want streams, by the way, like, cause I don't stream my trading right now. Sano does, so if you wanna watch him live trade. Sano, you get full signals, right? Yeah, actually. Wait, put me on. You execute on screen? I mean, I guess I did too. Hey Vert, how are you switching time frames fast? Just type the number under like keys. So if I want to click like 5 minutes, I just click 5 and enter. 2 minutes, 2 and enter. Do you say first? Dude, shot. Are you trolling or are you actually like being serious on it? Also, I wouldn't mind a short from there. Dude, I might join up. I've been seeing your stats. You've been cooking. 1 minute short. This gap's not very obvious. Not gonna lie. I mean, it's not obvious. It's kind of small. I think I've tried this. I like the reaction. I like the SMT as well. Okay, break evens here. Son, I don't know. Like you don't really go break even, or like your break even method is different. But have you tried scaling at break even? I'm gonna start doing that because I hit. I'd probably say like 60% of my trades are probably break even. Like it's actually outrageous. But they saved me from loss a lot. Okay, that one didn't. Probably just the gap's not obvious. I don't have access to the 30-second, which is kind of pissing me off. Because I can't see if there's a 30-second gap. Okay, so that's why I should have waited for an obvious gap. My bad. That's why you wait for an obvious gap, by the way. This is way more obvious. Okay, hourly delivery, sweep of a high. This order block's hold on. I'm getting confused how to take a trade properly when I get into trade straight away. I'm straight looking for draw 4 hour plus bias, drop 15 for rally up and reversal. Hold on 1 minute. You're speaking gibberish, hold on. I'm more straight looking for draw on the 4 hour plus bias. So bias you use 4 hour to 15 minute usually. Yeah, 15 minute usually has like conditions. Like you can use like 5 minute, 15 minutes. Hourly as conditions. Yeah, that's fine. How much do I risk on the 50K eval? 1,000. Okay. So there's your break even. Now, I have faith that this runs here, but I'm gonna scale not 25%. So I wanna get like $20. So I'm gonna scale 20% and go break even. So if this hits my break even, I secure a profit. And now I'm just gonna target like a little more than 1 hour, probably like because if there's a target more than 1 hour, like these lows make sense. Okay, so I get break even, right? But I secured some profit. And like that'll add up. You know what I mean? I feel like they'll add up because I take so many break evens. On our YouTube videos, I'm still figuring out how you look for draw liquidity. I should get back in this now. Hold on, I'll finish your question in a second. Oh, this is bad PA. Never mind. On our YouTube video, I'm still trying to figure out draw liquidity because you said where liquidity draw is that your bias. Yes, I don't have like daily bias in terms of like. Okay, like literally, TJR on his bootcamp, he said daily bias was like, put your chart to the left like this, and whatever direction we're going, that's your daily bias. That's what he said. I remember that so clearly. So, yeah, my daily bias is my draw liquidity. We could be in a bullish uptrend, but if we get like LRR to the downside and manipulate up, like I'm looking for shorts. Right, draw liquidity is like the biggest thing. Even if it's just like a retrace play, like it's fine. I might try this 5-minute if we break it with momentum. Bruh. Oh, I'll take this. I'm gonna take this 5-minute SMR. This close. Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. What do we think about this 5-minute SMR? SMR setting for smart money reversal. Delivery at the hourly. I just feel like we go lower here. I feel like this low is so unbelievably obvious. Momentum's alright. Put an order block in. You gotta break your CISD. My stop would be like above this high, and then I'll target this low. My bread and butter trade is like, it's my break even. My bread and butter trade. Oh man, is there SMT? Okay, I would have scaled on this candle. 1,000,000% I'm scaling on this candle. Even though it's negative R, I don't care. But I'll scale to 20%. This is gonna be a break-even trade. Bruh. Yeah. This SMT at this low, there's no way I don't scale right there. Like, even if it's like half SMT, and that was bullish SMT. That's unlucky. Unlucky. What was I saying? I was speaking about something. I don't remember. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. Run it back. Oh yeah, my bread and butter setup. Appreciate that, Danny. My bread and butter setup is unmitigated 15 minutes. Trading to unmitigated 15 minutes, not 5 minutes, not 30 minutes, not hourly. It's like I see 15 minutes get like, especially on like trend days, like when we hit a reversal spot and we even unmitigated 15, it's such a good draw. Like I always see this work. But yeah, should I take this 1 minute? We left relative equal lows. There is SMT in it though, but then we come back up. We rebalance this 2-minute BPR. You get a 1 minute inversion. I just like brought on a 30-second time frame. So if this loses, it's probably because there's a 30-second gap that's bigger than the 1 minute, and I probably would have waited for that, but whatever. I'll try it. What time is it? 10:22. Pretty shit time. I'm back to this AM. Okay. I would have probably scaled there. So I'll scale. Actually, see, that's tough. In lifetime, I'm scaling there. I don't scale directly at 1 hour. I just scale off momentum usually. Like it depends. Like, cause this is. I mean, I guess there's a target right here, but like, we'll see. Bro, I'm not even gonna break even. That's unfortunate. Wow, I'm scaling 20% to break even anyways, and then I'm getting break even. But I would have scaled more. So I'm gonna give myself more. Don't care. be accurate. I would have scaled a little bit more. This PS kind of mid? Yes, it does. I'm going next time. That was a good little scalp though. Yeah. What was I gonna say? Oksana, do you copy trade every account, or is it like how do you trade in groups? Because I've been starting to do that. Like I split up my apexes. And I was talking to Reliable, and he was like what I do, I split up. I have 20 apexes, so I split them up into 10-10, and then I do one trade a day on both. You just trade every account? Damn. You do 2 max losses a day? It's like I really hate being down 2R. Like I hate that. 1 loss, I'm done. See, that's good. I'm so bad. Oh, so you're just a goat type shit. Okay, I was wrong about this. How strictly do you trade this model anymore? Do you like trade it strictly at all? Okay, we're going for this LRR probably, or we're about to reject it. This long probably works. Yeah, would have been break even though. Okay, so we're gonna leave it unmitigated 15. Use Replicanto. It's not like old gen. Dodge, you're talking about what's better, max trades per day. That's honestly what I still don't even know. Like probably, I think max money. Because I feel like sometimes it kind of depends. Like it depends on the situations. If you take like a really good loss and then you make it back, like I'd probably just be done for the day. Like even if you're sitting at break even. But at the same time, I'm also like, oh, if I'm at break even, I might as well look for one more. I'm taking this 5-minute short, by the way. I think. Yeah, I've got to take that. It's a good short. Unmitigated 15 right here. Let's see if my bread and butter plays out. Kind of a mid close, but break even's the internal low in that 5-minute. I stopped trading other models because I was too inconsistent. Yeah, it's literally what everyone realizes eventually is like what my issue was. I tried to be too much like Dodgy, or I tried to be too much like Reliable, but then you realize like, oh, it's just your own, like your model is your own distinction or discretion, not distinction. Is literally your own discretion. Like you can't. I don't even know how to explain it. Like it's weird. Like obviously some traits you take the same, but there's like certain times where Reliable disagrees with me, and then I'm like, oh, I actually like this, and then it works, and then he's like, oh yeah, this is an eval trade, and it'll like mess me up. Yeah. What's your checklist, Anna? I'm gonna break even there. I'm scaling 20%. Secure some profit. We put an order block here, so it makes no sense for us to go back up. We should just rip down here. Oh, so we just missed my TP by how much? SMT right here, I would have scaled. Bro, I hate being hindsight. This is so obvious, man. You're telling me I've seen this in SMT in live time, I'm not scaling it that low when we hit right here. You're tripping. Did you make that with AI? Liquidity sweep, delivery, prevail. Okay. Okay, so it's like pretty. Minimum of 6 points. That's interesting. Should I hook you up? That's far. Dude, I'm about to blow my brains out. I hate FX Replay, the Wix. It's actually so stupid. Anyways, if you want to back this though, I got a code with them. Yes, sir. Code Vert. I'm redoing this. I'm putting my TP up because I'm scaling there every time. Whatever. SMT there. Like, I'm not a. If you don't scale there, you're an idiot. Anyways. And use code. What is it? Is it code Oksana for Lucid? I don't remember. Oksana, if you want to self promo my Discord, you go ahead. Because I'm probably never gonna get code Lucid, so if you want to make an announcement, I can. Lucid trading code OKNQ. Okay, fire. I have a code with Alpha, code Vert. Make sure to use it. 10%. If you do that, I make an announcement for your codes on my server. Well, are you gonna get affiliated with Alpha? Because I don't want to ruin that for you. I know I'm never gonna do Lucid probably. No offense, but their payout rules are kind of. I mean, it's like Apex. I don't know. Nah. Okay. I bet. Yeah, I'll put your code on my server. My code's just Vert. It's just like Apex, but unrealized. Yeah. No, they're not bad. I don't think they're bad. I think right now top is like Alpha though. After MFFU was like peak, and then they ruined their entire system with the 80-20. I don't know why they went to 80-20. Top step is like mid. No trade evade, which I hate. Okay, my bias here by the way is actually what am I on a short here? I'm actually bearish here. Why am I bearish? I feel like we go back to 50 here. Because we're not 4 for value gap. I feel like we go rebounds more. I wouldn't expect like. Oh, this short is fire. Oh, at 9 o'clock. I actually would have been on for this. I would have chased on this 901 candle because I would have been opening up my eyes. Damn, I miss every short because I put my thing at 915. That's unfortunate. I'm about to just take a 2022 because I know this hits. Whatever. Yeah. Ooh. Oh my god, I know there's a 30-second here. I know there's a 30-second there, bro. That's so annoying. One minute long. There was an SMT down there, but I feel like we should go lower though. Like I still think we're too high in general, but whatever, it did work. I'm looking for a short at the 15. I'll take this 2 minute if we death candle it. Oh my god, give me in that. This is gonna lose. I just realized. I think it's lose because of this. What time is it? No, oh, we're on a macro. Do we have news? Nope. Okay. Okay. I mean, I would have to take this. Take it 1 hour to the low. Yeah, and I just knew. Why do I know? Like, I just see the close with a candle wick, and I just know this loses because we're about to engineer. Man, I should trust my gut more. But that's my style. You gotta learn. Honestly, I don't really pay attention to that. That's low-key smart, Sana. Like, I mean, it's kind of not smart because I'm happy with like $5, but like, I don't know. It's like low-key smart though. Okay, this is my bread and butter right here, by the way. Unmitigated 15. This momentum's insane, so I'm just gonna jump in. I mean, if there's a world where we don't go to this unmitigated 15, it's not a world I want to live in. So, okay, so there's a break even. I'll go break even there. Yeah, break even. That's so mean. How rude. Okay, whatever. Oh. Ooh. Nah, this short sucks. This short probably works, but it's just too low. We already hit my target, so I'll be done. Yeah, Dodgy never goes break even. What is this, NFP? I'm just trying to take more trades. Probably why I'm losing more. Cause I know I split up my groups on Apex because hesitation. Like having one trade a day is like good and all, but I would just get like mentally destroyed. Cause I'd just be looking for like the best setup, which is great, but then I'd like skip on like setups I still think that work, but I don't want to lose so like early in the day. Like a setup could present itself at like 9:18, and it would be like great, but like, oh, if I lose, I'm just done for the entire session, and that's like, oh, I don't want to do that. I want to keep trading. So I just split them up. Oh, I always overthink it. Real talk. I'm taking this 1 minute long. I feel like these highs get ran. There's an S&T at that though. What time is this? 9:50. Oh, we're in macro. SMT, but momentum is great. I'm about to put an unfilled hourly. This would fail. Did we hit 50? Probably not. I know we did. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically get max affiliated on alpha, get 3 accounts on alpha 0, and then I'm just gonna have my 20 apexes, and then I'm gonna have my alphas. And then I'm going to be like, okay, 1 trade a day on my Apex. If that loses, I go to my alphas. Just to give myself a second chance. Because I'm addicted to trading, so I don't like just being done for the day and then watching their setups go out. Like, shit pisses me off. If this loses, then it's because of SMT. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, it actually never lost. Yeah, 2 minute held. I was about to say this is just bad PA. 2 minute held there. This momentum's good, but we're running in this gap, so I'm gonna scale 20% just to secure a little bit. And then I would probably scale. What am I? 75. Yeah, scale 75. Trail stop here. Let her ride. Yeah, I'll explain that in a second. Okay, trailing stop below this order block. This is a void, by the way. So big displacement candle down, no rebalance. I expect this entire thing to get filled. So I trail stop as well when we keep making either good order blocks or good new highs, basically. Okay, we did break this high, so I should trail, but I don't really like that break. Actually, I do like that candle, so I'm gonna go there. Okay, stopped in profit. Cool. And it would have stopped me out there anyways. Okay, when we say buffer, hold up. When we say buffer, we mean like you want to build a amount. So like on Apex, the buffer's at 2600. So like you have to get your account to 52,2600. And once you get to 2600, your trailing drawdown stops like it'll stop following you basically. So, and everything above the buffer is like added drawdown. So if I'm at like 3100 in profit, I have 3100 in drawdown. So the bigger the buffer, the more protected you are, as well as you can take more consistent payouts without having the worry of like your drawdown constantly dropping. Because if I'm at like 2600 but then I take a payout of 500, I'll be at 2100, so then I only have 2100 left in drawdown. So usually you want to keep all your payouts above buffer. What's your game plan with fresh PA accounts? I risk like, Oksana, how much do you risk on your accounts? Because I risk a lot. I risk like 400, 500. And I do like one shot a day. You do 5, yeah. See, like, he gets it, man. This whole 250 thing, I hate that. I don't know. Like, cause I don't trade that much. I don't find that many amazing setups I love. At least in live trading. And like, risking 250 going 1R is like it's so slow. It's like way too slow for me. So what's a good buffer? What I like to do is like, if I want to request 500. No, literally, I'm trying to make it worth it, bro. Like, if I'm gonna be that patient, I want to be able to secure a lot. Yeah. So like a good buffer, like the game plan, the way you do that. If I want to, let me write this down. 175 is too low. If I want to take out 500, right? If I have a 2600 buffer minus 500, that nets me 2100. So if I want to continue a buffer, I double what I'm taking out. So if I want to take out 500, I'll get the account to 2600 plus the extra 500, which will get it to 3100. So then I can take out a payout, and then I'll still have this much left over, so I'll still have a buffer. Does that make sense? Like, I want to constantly be over buffer. I don't want to request payout unless it's your first payout. If it's your first payout, then you can just take it. 250 is just too low for IFGs in my opinion. Cause like waiting for like really good setups, you don't like. I get like maybe 2, maybe 3 a week. And that's just not enough, man. I don't know. Just different personalities. Yeah, of course. I want longs from here, and I want actually, I wouldn't mind a long from here. From this obvious swing low, this swing high. Okay. Kind of gauge reaction. I don't like that one. Break even. I wouldn't mind a short. Ooh, that's juicy. But so is this long. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna get a 15. Rebalance to hourly. Left a 930 wick. Oh my god, why is there always an SMT, man? See, now I don't want to take it. Yeah. I agree, Osana. Osana, would you take this 1 minute? So we got a 1 minute inversion here. Manipulated 930. Distribution. But we have an SMT. And I kind of don't like that wick. I'm gonna trust my gut and skip it. I lied. Guys, I should have taken it. Momentum was good. 930 wick is a good target though. Damn. I sold. It's fine. I guess we're going for the high. I look for shorts after this. Bro, I hate going into a setup with an SMT. It's like so annoying. It just ruins the vibe, man. I'll take this breaking with momentum, which we just did. Yeah. I'm targeting unmitigated 15. Yes, sir. My bread and butter. Perfect. Yo, I've been so confused. Hold on, let me make some money here. Break evens is low. Let's see what happens. Mechanically, that's my break even. I'm gonna trail. Let me just, I want to see the reaction. Just want to give it a little bit of wiggle room. Can I play price? Okay, so NQ just froze. Yeah, I've been so confused with top sub 6 payout because then you can move to live. I don't even know. Like, I have no experience with live. I know it's just like, I think worse spread, and I don't even, I genuinely do not know. Oh, I see what's happening about this. Wait, this is so stupid. Bro, what is this price action? Okay. I'm just gonna get break even. Yeah, I would have went break even off this candle. That's what would have happened. This candle would have bodied here, and then I was like, we should not sell there, and we saw there. This is a horrible price action. Yeah, that sucks. I feel like 930 wick. I feel like this is a sell model to 930 wick. Just a vibe. It's just a vibe I'm getting, man. I'm feeling it. Like, I wouldn't mind this 2 minute. This is looking protected low. Yeah. That's kind of iffy. Dude, I should have stuck with my gut. It is protected low. Oh, I guess this is a sweep, technically. This just like gives me the vibe. This, like, I don't know. The other day we had a similar sell model setup. Like, I just think we go to the 930 wick here. Like, it's just so obvious. Man, I was so right. It's not even funny. I'll take this 5 minute. Never mind, it's invalid. Unlucky. I go next day. Ooh, prime spot for longs. I wouldn't marry the 4 hour, probably in a 8 hour or something. 6 hour, yeah. I don't use 6 hour or anything. Okay, good target, like that. Give me this 1 minute back up. I'm in that. Ooh, 5 minute, yeah. Damn, that was set up. It's pretty good, Dannon. 1 minute long here, this gap's not obvious. Okay, looks like a sell model. We're gonna put this unfilled 15 and 4. I wanna see if I can long to that. So there's the unfilled 15. Okay, cannot long to that. I'll see the reaction to this. Ooh. I kind of like that. Whatever. There's no delivery. Oh, would have been break even. BTC 3 minute. Nightmare. Oh, did we tap that? Oh, we did. Hold up. Hold on. As much as I want to take this, I just feel like it loses. Okay. Scale break even. I don't mind this short. Actually, I do. This is just like, I don't like this PA. I feel like the draws are all gone. Wow. NFP. We left the devils. No, but never mind. No, we didn't. When it's obvious, it's obvious. Yeah. Probably second guessing myself. This is a void, so I wouldn't mind a short. Okay. I would have smacked that. Are you serious? That's so unfortunate. We don't have delivery, but that is such a good candle. I was just saying I wouldn't mind a short. I'd be bearish here. Like, there's just no way this doesn't get rebounced. Like, yeah, there's just no way. We're not just gonna go up with that big of a with that big of a void. This is a huge candle sweeping out this buy side. Oh, and I like that 930 manipulated and 930 931 distributed. Like, that's I love Juju swing plays like that. And then I would just target 50% for final take profit. So scale 20% there. Secure some profit. Damn. Break even. At least I secured some profit. So I'd be looking for 50, and then I'd be looking for a long. This is such a big void. It just makes sense. 50 here, I think makes sense in terms of like best case scenario. Okay, if we get this long, oh, we miss 50. But that is a reaction. That is a reaction. 1 more minute on the 2. First line. I mean, I have to take this, right? This is so bloody obvious. We did miss 50, so it's like a setup, but this is like, you get that reaction, that's like kind of crazy. 2 minute. Okay, break even there, and then scale it to break even. So scale 20. Because I feel like we could go lower, and this didn't like jump through the break even. So secure a little bit of money. Okay, hold on. Pump. Ooh. We do have other lower above. Okay, I'm gonna scale there. 75. I'm gonna leave runners to all the way buy side. This momentum, we should just continue up. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Okay. I'm gonna scale again, 50 there. And then let me think. How much am I up? 60? I'll just keep Cheryl stop. We should just go to buy side. Bang! Okay, that was a good one. So when to marry 50%, when to not marry 50% is a big issue I had. It's off reaction. Like, this is such a big void. I feel like 50% made sense here. But like, if we're going for 50, why would we get this reaction? And why would we leave trendline liquidity here? That shit just does not make sense. Like, if we're really gonna go for 50, we would not V-shape here with that much momentum. If that makes sense. Also, we had an hourly inversion. Right here. But the only reason I was bearish because I know like we should rebalance here. Like there's no way this is just gonna get left and continue up. It just doesn't really make sense. That was a banger though. Fire. We have a data high. I lied. No, we don't. We already took it. My bias would be. Actually, would it minus short? Actually, no, I'm bullish here. I'd be bullish this high. That's a very obvious high, and then I'd look for a short from there. I think we just trend up. Let's see. In terms of a dream scenario. Oh. Let's see. Rebalance this, get along. Ooh. Good market. That's unfortunate. I don't want the long here. I'm not taking that. Would have been, actually would have worked. Would have been scale break even, but I wanted the long lower. Okay. Dude, why are we V-shaping down? What? Did we tap something? No. Oh, there might be an S&P. I didn't even check. No, there's not, right? Yeah, okay. This is a good short, but it's not a good short. Dodger said something that makes a lot of sense to me. It says after a big move, we shouldn't go to 50% unless it's a hit it. Well, I don't know. Actually, like 50% there, I wouldn't marry because of the hourly inversion, and we still buy side above. I think that's like the main reason. Why are we having a sell model? That actually makes no sense. Long here sucks. Yeah, that shit just got destroyed. Okay, longs here would be good. I wouldn't mind a long here because now we're tapping the low in that gap. See the reaction. Okay, we go lower. We're kind of sell modeling here. Long here would be fine too. So VV shape here, I'll take that. Like this 2 minute would be A plus. Oh yeah. 50 minute gets created in 2. I would just take the 2 minute here. I wouldn't even wait for the 1. This is so much momentum. It's a very obvious spot for a long. It's a good order block. Stop below the order block. Target 1R. Or what I would do, probably just enter half and then wait for the 1 minute to break and then enter full. There's an S&P here. Oh no, that's the daily. That's actually what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna enter half size and then I'm gonna add in once the 1 minute breaks. Just because the 1 minute is kind of obvious. Okay, I'm gonna add in there. So how does this work? My average would be like here. So my break even would go like here. I'd also scale 20%. Adding in is so stupid on FX replay because it doesn't even give your average. Oh, damn. Did I lose on that? I don't even know. That's unfortunate. I think we're just bearish here. Pretty bearish reaction. Alright, I'm gonna. Oh, hold on. Okay. See, that's the reaction I want to see. I'll be bearish here though. Nah, right. That is such a bullish reaction. Like I have to take that. Oh, there's 2 gaps. Actually, I'm gonna take this 1 minute and go break even at the next one. I technically can't do that. I just got break even right here. I don't really know if there's a point though. Okay, break even there. Again, scale a little bit. 20%. Okay, why did it just close my position? Okay, there's actually just no point of scaling there because it's $7. So let me just let it break even. Please, no. Break even trade. It's fine. We're not getting that momentum. Yeah, next day. I'm looking for one more one and I'll call it. If you want, whoever asked to go over the week, if you're in Dodgy's Discord, they just did my IFGs of the week. So, yeah. I'd be bullish here to this high. That's very, very, very obvious. Now I'll look to short from there, I guess. If we get something textbook, I think we just keep pumping here. We'll see. Oh, nope. So 930 manipulates. See, like I know for a fact it's a 30-second there. I just can't see it. Yep. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm taking a long here. I don't care that it's sunset. There's not a world that's not a 30-second in that candle. Why can't I see 30? I gotta look at my plan because something's off. This is such an easy long. It's not even funny. I go break even at the high. Okay. Well, that's just whatever. I'll bet my left is a 30-second right there. There's no way there's not. That's so easy. If we break that high, trail. Okay, good trail. Okay, I would be in this 1 minute. Oh, that was news. Okay, I would not be in this 1 minute. I lied. That was 10 a.m. news, so I would not have taken that. Don't trade before news, especially not 9:59. Okay, I look for a short from here. I wouldn't mind a short from here if we get one. It's like really textbook. See, that's really, really textbook. I could wait for the SMR, but that's a lot of momentum, so I won't. It's like I could wait for the external gap to break. What are your macro times for AM sessions? 9:50, 10:10, 10:50, 11:10, 8:50, 9:10. First and last 2 minutes of every hour. This short would be better if we break this gap, but this is a lot of momentum. I just have to identify my targets now, which I feel like we might run these lows. These kind of look like good lows, not gonna lie. And I feel like if we were just gonna blast it by side, we would not get that reaction. We'll see though. Okay, mechanically has to break even. Whoops. Mechanically has to break even. So I would scale 20%. Now we'll just get break even. Good break even. I guess that's it. Long here. I don't like this long. Okay, never mind. Did a gap hold? No. This is bad price action. We're entering LRLR, or we're entering sell side. So I could look for just short again from up here. It's not bearish at all. We're probably just gonna go for buy side. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. We'll check the stats. Not too bad. Okay, this is crazy. I would never make $964. It's just because that one candle literally went to the moon. But that's that. Does anybody have any questions? Let me. That was decent. Started off a little rough. Am I on NAS 100? Was I on NAS 100? Don't tell me I was. No. Is that what I did? Oh, I'm an idiot. I meant to do NQ. See, like I did ES properly, but I must have done NAS 100. Well, that just probably affected some of the stats, unfortunately. Oh, is that why I don't have the 30-second? I meant to do NQ. Wait. No, not again. I'm just checking something. Yeah, that's why I don't have the 30-second. See, now I have the 30-second. That's unfortunate. Can we go over some of these week's trades? Yeah, sure, man. We can check. I took this loss on my group 2. We'll start off from Monday. Monday had nothing, I don't think. Let's go 9:30. This long's invalid. Horrible. I took this short. I took that short, got break even. We had an SMT at the high. This short was good. I did not take it because we missed 50. I wanted this high to get swept, but that's fine. I took this long, got break even. I took this long, got break even. Like if I scale break even here every time I'm up, like I'm gonna start doing that. At least like one con. And that was basically it. Tuesday I took this long and won. It's 30-second. So Tuesday I took this long and won that. That was really easy. Basically, swept all these lows, held his 5 minute to the left, V-shape, momentum. You took that on stream? Nice, Anna. Dude, I was fumbling. That shit went so fast. I didn't even have time to calculate. I just threw in 5 cons and just sent it. I was literally risking like $680. I didn't mean to do that. That was a nightmare. Did I see your short? What short did you take? No. What, did you take this short? Oh, your clip? No. I don't even see like for when you go, I'm never going back. What are you talking about? I don't even see your like content on my like feed. I'm pretty sure let me make sure I'm like followed. Do you have an Instagram? You post on IG? Oh, let me see this clip. Dude, I was supposed to have my recording, but my recording messed up and I couldn't post this video. It's unfortunate. Bro got in with a mini and got out in like 4 seconds. Yeah, that's crazy. A mini is crazy. You risk like 1,000, bro. There's no way you're not risking 1,000. I risked five micros here. I was risking 680. You're risking like 1,200. Yeah, a nightmare. Crazy. Yeah, mini there's okay, whatever. Made bank though. I'll record OBS. Oh. You record on Streamlabs? Interesting. I remember I took a loss on group 2. I took a loss, which like I don't know if I regret it. I kind of do. I took this 2-minute loss. Wait, what? No, not that. I took. What did I take? Oh no, it's over here, I think. Wait, no. I took something on the 2 minute. Or maybe it was just one. Wait, what? Oh no, I took this 1 minute. Yeah. I took this 1 minute. We had an SMT with buy side up here. Order block. I was like right, but I wasn't right. Reliable also took this. Dude. That is probably Bert. We just like went back up to resweep this high, and then we went down to our targets. It was just bad delivery. It's just really bad price action. And this is why like I'm low-key like, bro, PM session's so hit or miss. There's just no way I'm gonna trade it every day. I'll just like watch my phone and see if the PS good, then get on. Cause like I'm not just gonna sit here and watch that. It's horrible. Wednesday. What was Wednesday? Wednesday I took this short. A lot of people took this short. I took this short. I got break even, and then that was that. Thursday, I made a mistake. Or no, Thursday I should have shorted. I was like married to buy sider. That was bad. My bad. I should have taken this. I did fade the long here. I faded this loss. I faded this loss, this short. Wednesday you caught a long, nice. I only caught trades Tuesday and Friday, and then I took this short. Oh no, sorry, I didn't take this short. I wish I took this short. At like 3. Oh, I know what you're talking about, Sana. I remember. I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, that long was good. I took this long. There's a 30-second here. I got break even. I posted that on my YouTube. That was like it for the day. PM was like ass this week. I don't know about you, Sano. I didn't catch like anything in PM this week. And then Friday, last day of the week, I took this 1 minute long and banked. I took this on group 1. Group 1's green. Scaled here for negative RR because we hit the high. I have to scale there. And then I took this long on group 2, which was a data high. I got the long on Wednesday and PM, and then the 15-minute long during PM yesterday. 15-minute long, I'll have to look at that. This is a data high. I don't know why this didn't hit. Took a loss on that. Yeah, I'll check in a second. 15-minute. Oh, this fucking setup, bro. See, like, this shit pisses me off. Because, like, I was about to take the 5-minute. And, like, oh my god. This is why I can't be on streams, man. Like, Reliable was, like, I don't know. Reliable was, like, saying, oh yeah, this is, like, negative R. Like, why even take this? Because it's just negative R to the high. Bro, and I was like, yeah, but you might as well just go break even there and just hold it. And I just didn't take it, and then it just ran. Like that was so easy. Like that's what, I'm just like off streams entirely. I just gotta do my own discretion. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to 75K. I already said that. This is so obvious. This low. This weekly low. Weekly inversion. Weekly breaker. Weekly CISD. Like this probably gets hit. This, and then we could go to 48K. Like down here. That's like I want to buy here or buy here. Probably. Like this is a good monthly low. Like I don't know, it makes sense. If we close below this though, that's kind of crazy. That's a monthly SMR. Friday, 5:30 a.m. So the fact that you're trading at 5:30 a.m. is already concerning. That's not in the kill zone, so that's just bad in general. But I'll look at it. 5:30 a.m. Oh, I see it. Is the invoice valid? Yeah. Take this. There's just not really an obvious gap here. Oh yeah, I'm not really a big fan of the gaps. I mean, this 30 seconds is not horrible. How big is that? 6 points. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, I'm ending it here. I will see y'all next weekend. Goodbye.